You wiped them out, sir. We're gonna need more tanks.
No, now he needs to face me. Batman, just stop! Stop acting like a hero! Stop thinking you can save anything! Oh, you found another tree! Well, I've still got the Cloudburst. You want to finish this? Come to Bleak Island. Then it'll be over.
Batman, I've cleared as much of the toxin as I can. You must find the Cloudburst. It's killing my plants.
I'll destroy it. Just hang on. Alfred, raise the bridges. He's not getting off Bleak Island.
Are you sure, sir?
Get the Batwing to scan the Cloudburst. Find a weakness. I'll take out the Cobra tanks on guard.
Sir, you're entrapping yourself with an enemy that has you severely outgunned.
No, I'm trapping him.
pizza.
Sir, we've got 3 Cobras left in the field. I got Batman! He's in the canal!
Your escort is almost gone, Knight. Protect the Cloudburst. Withdraw.
You can't defeat me. The Cloudburst is too powerful.
What do you think you're doing?
Finishing the job.
This is not the plan we agreed upon.
It's a plan that works. Scarecrow can choke on his toxin, Batman. He wants you to suffer. I just want you dead. Return to patrol pattern. It'll slip up eventually.
I need to concentrate on clearing Scarecrow's toxins.
are too well armored for a direct assault.
How's the Cloudburst operating?
Its power source is internal, but the device has been modified with a coolant system to avoid overheating.
That's the weak point. A rupture will set off a chain reaction, destroy the Cloudburst, and could take out the tank as well.
I'm reconfiguring your scanner to locate the vehicle's coolant lines. Good luck, sir.
I need to get closer to scan the tank while remaining out of sight. The coolant lines run close to the surface of the tank. I should be able to rupture them with a shell from the 60mm cannon. But one strike won't be enough, and I can't stay near that gun. Attack and fall back is my only option.
Trying to overheat the Cloudburst. Leave now.
He cannot win!
You will have your chance to kill him.
I'm not waiting anymore. You know how this has to end, Dark Knight. If you want the Cloudburst, come take it.
Cloudburst is not fate, Knight. It is mine.
Batman is mine! Me and you, head to head. I have longed for this. You're gonna die alone, Batman, like you deserve. That car's not strong enough. Neither are you. This tank was built to destroy you. You can't match this power. Stay and face me.
The Cloudburst won't withstand another strike. Retreat.
No, this is to the end. Show yourself!
The Arkham Knight must be stopped.
I answer to no one, Batman! Can never save Gotham? All you ever done is prolong his dying, gasping breath. Before I kill you, you'll know the truth.
The explosion disabled the main cannon. Now I can get close and concentrate fire on the Cloudburst.
You won't win. Ever. You thought you could win?
Sir, the Arkham Knight. Did you subdue him?
He's gone.
You, don't sound entirely sure, sir.
Ivy, I've destroyed the Cloudburst. Purify the remaining toxin as fast as you can.
Ivy.
I fear you may be too late, sir. Scans reveal the toxin is overwhelming Ivy's plants.
I'm heading to her now.
The Cloudburst was mine. My greatest weapon, my instrument of fear. I will exact vengeance for this upon you and all your allies. Like poison ivy. My toxin overwhelms her. She's paying the price for opposing me right now. Is mine. Do you see, world? The nightmare has truly begun. Fear rule.
Ivy.
Nature.